Food is prepared without celebration. Water is shared, but never enough. Faces are washed, not cleaned.
Armor is tightened more than needed.
Breath grows heavier without reason. The horses eat, but sense something else. Hooves are checked like fragile tools. Leather is pulled tighter than before.
Eyes of animals hold a warning.
Their breath carries tension into the air.
Children watch what they cannot understand.
Some turn away before it begins. Even the wind feels different here. A drum sounds, but softly.
Men rise without being told.
Disorder fades into intention.
Lines begin to form from chaos.
A single rhythm replaces many lives.
Feet strike the ground together now. Bodies align into structure.
Space between men disappears.
Voices vanish into order.
One side tightens like a blade.
The other spreads beyond sight.
Two forces, built differently, face each other. Colors reveal where they came from. Armor is checked again, in silence. The ground begins to answer.
The first reaction is not movement.
Horses feel it before men do. Hands answer without command. A signal travels without a sound. No one steps forward. Not yet.
Wheels begin to move somewhere unseen.
Harnesses tighten under unseen hands.
Dust begins to move with purpose. Something finally breaks the stillness.
Dust rises where nothing stood before.
The distance is no longer untouched. The air begins to carry weight.
The figure inside the dust becomes real. The gap now has a center. Reins pull just enough. Both sides understand the moment. A breath is taken together. The world pauses at the edge.
Between them, nothing moves, but everything waits. One small movement changes everything.
The center holds its breath.
The line begins to breathe forward. The first step becomes many. Steel fans its line.
The ground answers the advance. The last space begins to disappear.
Dust erases the last clear line.
And then, nothing is seen.